Hi guys, how far? Welcome to my channel, welcome to my garage. Today I'm going to, over here you see my half of the bonnet open, and you can see the engine right here behind me. I'm going to remove the engine cover off. I'm going to take it off, like, yeah, once and for all. It's no longer going to be there. For me, it's a modification, like a huge modification. And I'm going to use this advantage to install a blow-off. But I'm going to, like, the car already have an electronic pop-off installed, and I'm going to install the blow-off on top of it. And I'm going to show you guys how to install a blow-off on top of your pop-up. Let's go to my working table, and I'm going to show you the blow-off and the tools that that's needed to work on this engine, an Alfa Romeo Mito. Let's go to my working table. It's called the Bonalumi valve pop-off, and now I'm going to open it and show you guys what's inside, and let's open it. Put that aside. Then you have this little plastic bag. Where this is how it is. Let's clear everything, like put everything aside, and show you guys how it all came about. Was somehow like I've cut it with a cutter and to remove it, or else it was like arranged in a very different way, like somehow like this. You have this yellow cap. Then you have this black cap. It's very different from the yellow. Like you have this small little thing, like to pull it in case you put it on something, on a hose, to pull it, like have something to hold. Whilst on the yellow you have nothing. This valve over here, it's kind of heavy. Like very cool, very decent. To do this work, I think what you need to do, the tools require, it's not like many tools. Just need a flat-headed screwdriver like this. Then you're gonna need an O-clip ply like this. Over here. Yeah. Now let's get back to the engine. Remove the head cover and start to install this stuff. Open that hose clamp over there, and I'm going to remove this one too over here. uh, before I take the engine cover away, in case you want to like, we're not going to take the engine cover off like I've done over here. You are going to leave it on top of the engine, and like everything really fixed over here, and over there, over here, you have to put the cap. I think probably the black cap. You have to put the cap over here to avoid dirt getting inside. You have to close it. But because I'm going to take this cover off, I don't really need it anymore, and I'm going to put it somewhere that I'm going to show you later on. This hose is no longer needed, so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to take it off. So the Monalumi official site. This is if you have Abarth engine, or Abarth like 500, 595 and 695, you're gonna need this yellow cap right over here. Mine is a budget, so I don't need this yellow cap. I rather need this, and I'm going to put it right here, perfectly on it. Over here underneath is the electronic pop-up. It's already there, the car's own electronic pop-up. I'm not going to change the pop-up. I'm going to just place the valve, this valve on top, the Monalumi valve on it. So the pop-off is installed just on top of the throttle body. The throttle body, in case like you are wondering where it's placed. It's placed on top of the throttle body. We are going to install the valve right here. Very simple. We are going to start the engine and see how it sounds. When it's getting to 3000 RPM, you can feel the sound. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Peace out. See you next time. Bye.